Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help walk you through mindfulness exercise worksheets and how to effectively incorporate them within your practice. So, what are mindfulness exercise worksheets? Mindfulness worksheets are a great way to help clients reflect on their present state, as well as their thoughts and feelings that may be contributing to distress. Clients can gain a deeper understanding of themselves and develop a more positive and healthy state of mind. Patients can also check their progress over time to identify strengths and weaknesses to improve. Mindfulness worksheets contain a variety of exercises pertaining to the body and mind, as well as a space for reflections. They are used by a variety of different mental health professionals, including psychologists, social workers, therapists, and more. The first step to using this worksheet is to download it, which can be accessed via our website and app. Next, you'll then need to distribute the worksheet to your client to complete. They will need to complete all the exercises as well as recording times for each one. The client will then need to reflect and answer the questions below. Once the worksheet is completed, remember to store it securely to safeguard patient information. Here's an example of what a completed mindfulness exercise worksheet looks like. Feel free to pause the screen if you'd like to view information more closely. To use mindfulness exercises in Carepatron, click on the Templates tab on the left. Filter by notes and by community to view our entire collection. If you'd like to be specific, type in the keyword mindfulness to find the relevant note. Click on the template by selecting Choose Template icon and then select your client. You will then be able to edit and customize the information to your needs, clicking Publish once complete.